Hi, this is Olivia, and today we're going to be talking about cell structure and functions. Picture A is a plant cell, and picture B is an animal cell. All organisms are made of smaller parts called organs. Organs are made of still smaller parts. The smallest living part of an organism is a cell. Cells were first observed in Cork by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cells exhibit a variety of shapes and sizes. Number of cells also varies from organism to organism. Some cells are big enough to be seen with the unaided eye. Hen's egg is an example. Some organisms are single-celled, while others contain large number of cells. The single cell of unicellular organisms performs all the basic functions performed by a variety of cells in multicellular organisms. The cell has three main parts: the cell membrane, cytoplasm, which contains smaller components called organelles, and the nucleus. Nucleus is separated from cytoplasm by a nuclear membrane. Cells without well-organized nucleus, example lacking nuclear membrane, are called prokaryotic cells. Plant cells differ from animal cells in having an additional layer around the cell membrane termed the cell wall. Colored bodies called plastids are found in the plant cells only. Green plastids containing chlorophyll are called chloroplasts. Plant cell has a big central vacuole, unlike a number of small vacuoles in animal cells. The previous picture is a picture of human cheek cells. Bricks in a building and cells in the living organisms are basic structural units. The buildings, though built of similar bricks, have different designs, shapes, and sizes. Similarly, in the living world, organisms differ from one another, but all are made up of cells. Cells in the living organisms are complex living structures, unlike non-living bricks. So you may ask, a hen's egg can be easily seen. Is it a cell or a group of cells? The egg of a hen represents a single cell and is big enough to be seen by the unaided eye. The previous picture is a picture of cells observed in an onion peel. The boundary of the onion cell is the cell membrane, covered by another thick covering called the cell wall. The central dense round body in the center is called the nucleus. The jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called cytoplasm. So why do cells need a cell wall? The cell membrane gives shape to the cell. In addition to the cell membrane, there is an outer thick layer in cells of plants called cell wall. This additional layer surrounding the cell membrane is required by the plants for protection. Plant cells need protection against variations in temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, etc. They are exposed to these variations because they cannot move. Cells can be observed in the leaf peel of Alodia, Royo, and Grandescantia. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.